Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka High Level Committee ka palakli da usembot Menteri Rangba jong jela uba Preston Tensong kala batha ya katnat law jong sarkar jela bakan da puli bnia shwa bin pabin hashwaban IT ya ka affidavit hapo ka yang ka sheri Supreme Court ba persya ya ka mokoduma special leave petition jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ka bayadai bat ka jingpen kenria ya ki briau ki basyong basa hatem metor. Haka mokot duma ka HPC kala tunjuk persya ya ka hukum balapan mi da ka yengka syari Meghalaya High Court haka arfu pratrik ujeliu mentau snem arjar khat khandai da ka babatha ya barok kibriyo ki besyong basa athamator bagidei ban ya trailang bat ka jinglum jingkhen jong ka sarkar ya kibriyo basa haka ne ka jaka da ka ba IT lut ya barok ki kot kisla bat ki jingtip balapan da ka Shillong Municipal Board kasngi bahaddo balabu ban IT ya ki kot kisla kalong haka laipau tarik unailar nrei ki briu ki basa hathemator kila kentaj man priang ya ka notice balapha da ka Shillong Municipal Board bat gila penpau da ka kaipot bala IT hakmat ka High Level Committee ka bala syong ya ka jinyalang ka ba prasien haka arpunyo tarik unailor arjar khat khandai.
Now the court also is there, be it High Court, be it the Supreme Court. So ultimately we decided it is most appropriate for all of us not to say anything for this time, okay? Till we get all the issue clear from both Supreme Court as well as the High Court. Yes, inventarization again they turned out. That's what they turned out. That it was ended in the on the 30th of August, and no one turned up for the inventarization program that made by the municipal court. Action and number two, sittings of the High Level Committee will continue. And as I already mentioned to you, the day when we sat in the High Level Committee, we took this issue as topmost priority program of the government. See, few issues are there, as I said to you, because they filed the special leave petition was filed against the order of the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court. That's what I'm saying. I will not tell you anything, all the details, whatever decision we taken today. This is for the interest of the whole issue, and not only that, this is for the for everybody, for any parties. Because let also the court play their role. Okay, the Honorable Supreme Court, the Honorable High Court, they play their role. So we'll see. Meeting of HLC will be held. Maybe after 25 days, 26 days, we will sit down. The issue is, I think you know well, special leave petition was filed by the committee of Harijan to the Supreme Court against the order of the Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court. This is the thing. So now we are also preparing or reply in the form of affidavit. That's what I said. Maybe within 10 or 12 days, we will be able to file all the necessary replies to the Honorable Supreme Court. Okay, as far as this shifting of the temporary office of the Shillong Municipal Board will happen very soon, because right now we are waiting for the allotment order from the GAD, because that building belongs to the GAD department. So very soon GAD will issue the allotment order, and once the allotment order comes, the municipal board will go for renovation, and then maybe some painting, this, that, to that old building. Okay. So once that is done, then shifting will take place. Shifting of the SMB office from that temporary office where they have will be shifted the moment renovation is completed. The temporary office of Shillong Municipal Board has to take place. It has to take place to GAD quarter. Okay? And once the allotment order issued by GAD department, then instruction has been given to Shillong Municipal Board to renovate that place, and then after renovation they have to shifting their offices to that new allotment. Why we call AG as member of this HLC, and then Commissioner Secretary Law is part of this committee. Kalau ni instruction has been given by Lomba kin present now. They'll do their homework well as far as this specially petition is concerned.